What is up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. Unfortunately, Junior is not here. Oh, actually, he's just right there laying on the floor with the Jelster.
Look at their matching pajamas.
She's part of the family, you guys. Alright guys, make sure you guys like and subscribe today, because today's video, we are making... Today we are making Oreo gingerbread houses. I'm excited to see this video because we did the same video about a year ago, and Junior made a train last year, and I made a house. But we all have the same house. We can decorate it and style them however we want. We're gonna see who comes out the best. And look at, we all have matching pajamas.
And we all have cameras.
We're all a family. Even the doggies. There's Chocha's little thing, and then look at Peanut.
Little Bowie. Did you show them Junior's kiddo one?
Yeah.
Look, it can fiddle.
and then Peanut, but Peanut doesn't like hers. So yeah, that's what we're doing today, you guys. We're making some gingerbread houses. Okay, so what comes inside this little box, you guys, is the Oreo minis, the crackers for the house, the decorations, and then this is the frosting that holds it all together.
Our house is gonna be so tiny, guys.
I told you.
I think we use this to put our house on.
It's breaking me now.
Here, let me open this up.
These are small houses, what the heck?
These are really small houses.
I thought it would be a lot bigger, to be honest with you
They
guys.
smell like soap and medicine together.
They're tiny as well.
I smell it.
Okay,
Smell this one.
I have the instructions here.
It smells that. That one smells nasty. Smell yours. Babe. It smells like ant spray.
Look how tiny they are, guys. They look like little fish. Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. Kiddo, you were supposed to keep this part right there. What happened to my snowman?
Yeah, I give up. So, Mom, how are you feeling about yours right now?
They look like little fishes. And this house is...
Okay, moving on. So, what do you feel about?
I don't know.
Okay, moving on. So, goodbye. Hope you enjoy your birthday. Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. You broke my finger.
Oh, God.
You see nothing. Guys, look, this is the way you start it off. You make a ritual of little dead Oreos with a live Oreos. That's how you make, that's the first step, making a ritual. Like my mom is not doing the ritual right. Mario has not even been done yet.
I cut the pizzas off, guys.
And I did a good job on making the ritual.
I haven't even started.
Taste test of the Oreo.
Oh,
Do not taste that good.
they're cookies.
Pretty nasty. So I really don't know what to do, so Oh God, I think I cut a little too much.
Oops. I think I'm putting the roof on my house.
You are, that is the roof.
Let's take a step back and reevaluate my windows. Apparently I don't know what a window looks like.
Yeah, apparently not.
Look at my house, guys! Look at my house!
Dang, she built her so freaking fast.
Whoa, the frosting.
Dang, that looks freaking super good. I'm jealous. I haven't even put the foundation to my house and she already finished it. That's crazy. I gotta follow the instructions. Oh my God, Junior has so much frosting on it.
Don't judge me, eh? Can I just make it like this? I'm done. I'm not gonna
This is Junior's finished product.
It's not. Come and look at this masterpiece. Yeah? It's supposed to be like this, but nah.
Dang, just look at that creativity. Look at that decoration. Look at that holiday spirit. It's so festive.
Look at my snowman.
Oh, that's so sick.
Come on, you guys want to admire my house? Look at my little snowman. He has some buttons.
Mom.
He has a little hat on him, and this is where his home is.
Don't brag about it.
I'm not done yet. Look at my child. His looks.
Look at Mario's. This is way better than all of ours.
Look at Mario. Look at that concentration on that man.
I'm trying to make it as good as yours. Yours is all like nice and even. Damn, I'm loving how hers is coming out. Ooh, just look at it. It's like dead snowman on the porch, but these are like dead snowman right there. And there's a little buddy just there, like help me. Oh, he's falling. He's like, hello neighbor. I'm debating on making a snowman myself, but I don't think I'm that good. Showing him the final product. Oh, look, it even has a walkway. That's so cool.
Yeah, that's what they have.
Man,
Look at my walkway.
should have put some snow on the walkway. Cause it's snowing, you know.
Mine
But I went out there and cleaned it that
Oh
morning.
yeah, that's right. And his little snowman's just there happily chilling.
He
all
got
happy.
some more extra snow on his face
Yeah.
because it snowed, you know.
I like how he has his little top hat.
I wanted to put a little square on there, but I didn't know how.
Alright guys, I think this is the final product. I was gonna put decorations on in the front, but my gingerbread family went away for the holidays, so they didn't have any chance to put away decorations in the beginning.
is a snowman. Woo!
And then Junior's had a snowstorm.
Yeah.
Apparently he missed my house and just got him.
I need to know if my house is falling.
Oh God. You need some house insurance, Junior, because oh no. So this is our little village. Junior's house was the main center, but I guess it got destroyed by a heavy snowstorm.
And it didn't hit us.
Yeah, it got yours a little bit colder than mine. It got snow, but
No, because we're supposed to live. Because I live in New York. I live in Antarctica. You live in New York. My mom lives in Canada.
yeah, ours does look like she lives in Canada. It has icicles on it and stuff. Alright guys, that concludes today's episode. Tell me what you guys think. Hopefully you guys liked it. If you guys did, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below for any ideas that you guys have or anything that you guys want me to do. I don't know what I want to do next, but if you guys, like I said, if you guys liked it, give it a thumbs up. Comment, like, subscribe, and yeah, wait till the next one. See you guys soon. Peace.
I need to buy my house as well. 2 houses. Okay.
Guys. I got attacked by a heavy snowstorm. Don't worry. It'll get saved by State Farm. Because it knows a thing or two. It knows a thing or two and it saw a thing or two.